if you have been trying to install Google Files app but you are unable because you get this error, can't install files by Google, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to get started, first you need to go back to your Google Play Store app and open it, and make sure you are logged in before you try to download and install this app. However, if you are already logged in, just go to your profile icon here and scroll down to settings. From settings, you want to look for network preferences, and under it look for app download preference. Here choose this option over any network and then click on OK to confirm your changes. Now at this point you'll need to go and try searching for Files app and you should be able to install it. However, if you still can't, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, we need to troubleshoot Play Store by just long pressing on it, and you should see app info. However, if you can't see this app info, you should see a settings gear here or even the name of the app. Tap on any of these to access Google Play Store app information page. At this point, we need to force stop Google Play Store by tapping on force stop here and then OK. This will stop any background activities that might be hindering installation of apps. Then you need to clear the app data by tapping on clear data and then cache and OK. Once you're done, now restart your smartphone and head again to Play Store, and this time round go to search and search for files. So I'll search for files and run my search, and as you can see we have here Google Files here, and if I tap on it, let's go ahead, try to install. Now I'm able to download and install this app. However, if you can't still download and install the app, then you might want to check if you have enough space. Free up space by deleting unnecessary or unwanted files and apps that you no longer need, and clear trash on your smartphone to install the app. So that's how you can fix can't install Google Files app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.